I took Green Bay, man, but I gotta say, man, I can't even say Tom Brady like went crazy because he threw 3 picks, so he's not gonna make it seem like. But shout out to that boy for even being all at this position after leaving. You know what I mean, New England and shit. I took AR. I thought AR and them was gonna get it done. Couple calls didn't go their way, but you know that's football. That happens and shit. I seen a couple plays where like when they went for the field goal, they should went for the touchdown. Y'all down 8. Why you going for the field goal? You might as well go for the touchdown type shit. A couple little things could have went a little different. I think right now, the Chiefs is smacking the Bills around. I put a little betting on that. Took the Bills. I took the over in the Green Bay game. That definitely cashed in. But shit though, man. Shout out to Tom for being back at the Super Bowl, bro. And it's a home game, like never happened before. So Bull already just breaking more records. Like first year, came over here and went to the Super Bowl. AR, man, that might be over for AR. I don't, Green Bay gonna need to get some offensive help over there. They gonna have to get that man some help. Cause like shout out to Aaron Rodgers too, cause like y'all drafted a QB with the high draft pick. No offensive help, no real defensive help. AR just was shooting it out all year, like putting up numbers on jokers. Like today he threw 3 touchdowns, no picks. Now he threw 1 pick. I said 300 yards, 3 touchdowns, which he did that, but he threw the pick too. So, but like I said, man, the Super Bowl Chiefs and Buccaneers, it's gonna be tough, bro. We can't even count the Bucks out, bro. Like they gonna have to score with Patty Mahomes though, but shit, they can get it done. They at home too. They in Tampa, and their defense is definitely stout. Their defense definitely you feel me? Can get it done. So I'm waiting for the line to come out on that game, and we gonna cap that game too.